Good morning, guys. So, Philofi Adventures here. Today we are back in Portland, my favorite spot, as you know, because this is my home. So, we're gonna be here cooking up a little pot. We're gonna look some wilks in the rainy weather. So, it's gonna be more of a little chill vibe. So, guys, let's just hang out and spend the day with us on the beach. Just do a little beach cleanup before we get started, and I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because for some reason my mic just would not connect, and I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so I don't know why I'm so excited about this little shower thingy, but guys, I'm here setting up my little shower before we get started. So this is a catch from yesterday, and just in case we catch something, we're just gonna leave this line. All right, so Leah just gonna start up the fire and just put on the pot. And it is super windy today. So just go walk around and pick up some of the almonds that's on the beach. Guys, they are so delicious. Oh gosh. This is my fancy new trick that I learned yesterday to use the axe. I usually use a stone to pound it. So this is the calm before the storm. So just chilling out, pounding some almonds. And then we're gonna put in the octopus so it boils first, and then cut up some seasoning. Guys, so the rain is coming and not sure what we're gonna do. Just gonna collect some of the dry wood now. Is on its shoot. Rain start. And welcome to Portland. Let me tell you about Portland. The sun can be out hot, 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 and then within the next 5 seconds, it's a big, big storm, the biggest storm that you ever seen in your life. 1 minute later, it's all like nothing ever happened. So welcome to Portland. If you come here, just make sure you're prepared for anything. Go watch them. This is a perfect time to go and have a shower right now. Pouring rain, and we're just gonna use this opportunity to get the whelks. And I use the opportunity to go in the water. I love the water when it rains.
I put them in my pocket.
Pocket?
Yeah.
This is a cool desk. You know, this would make a cool desk. Just put a glass on top of it. Biggest one first like that when the boy just jump away.
Yeah, them detach. Them detach themselves.
And drop?
Yeah. See that one just do it?
Picking up wilts in the rain. Picking up wilts in the rain, guys. This is so nice. Oh, it's coming down again. It's white now. Some scary things around here. Wow, I love this. Woo! Alright guys, so it stopped raining, so we're just gonna try and build a fire again. Hopefully it doesn't rain again. Alright guys, so we took out the octopus clothes. We're gonna wash a little and just hot it up.
Off that part, and then this is the head.
Alright guys, so the rain kinda stopped, so just putting up these things to wash off full of sand. Oh boy. I don't even feel the thing. I'm going in to just do a little snorkel and show you guys what's going on. I'm not gonna go far, just right in the shallow. I'm gonna add this crayfish to the pot. This is one of our catch from a few days ago. And to make the soup a little thicker, just gonna mash some of the pumpkins. Alright guys, so just going to take a quick little shower and then I'll get back to having the soup. Guys, it is so delicious. As always, I wish you were here to have some. Ooh. As always guys, I wish you were here to have some. peppery. Alright guys, this is where we're gonna call it a wrap, and as always, thanks for spending the day with us, and I'll see you in the next one.